Welcome to Atom Equipment's video training series. This video will provide an overview of Atom's moisture analyzers, the PMB series. Let's take a look at them now. Two Atom moisture analyzers offer the same features and operation for simple and fast moisture determination. The PMB 53 moisture content results to 0.01% with a maximum capacity of 50 grams. The PMB 202 delivers moisture content results to 0.05% with a maximum capacity of 200 grams. Bidirectional RS-232 and USB ports allow you to connect to computers and printers easily. Atom's PMB allows you to quickly store and recall test routines and results for many different products. Now let's go through a simple moisture test to demonstrate how easy it can be to get results with the PMB. The settings we are about to show you are not ideal for all products. You may have to adjust the actual settings for the type of moisture determination that you are attempting to do. Notice that the function keys are arranged in a cursor key configuration to provide up, down, left, and right directional capability. Press the Test Down arrow key to show result with the current setting: moisture, solid, ATRO moisture, or ATRO solid. Using the Display Up arrow key and Test Down arrow key, you can step through the available types of test results. Moisture displays the percentage of moisture content of the original sample. Solid displays the percentage of solid remaining after moisture has been driven off. ATRO moisture displays the percentage of moisture relative to the dried sample mass. ATRO solid displays the percentage of solid relative to the dried sample mass. We'll select moisture by pressing the Enter key when moisture is displayed. Now we need to select a method of heating. The PMB offers three methods: single temperature to heat your sample to a set temperature, ramp to gradually reach your final temperature in a specified amount of time, and step to use up to 3 different temperatures during the test. We'll select single for our test by pressing Enter when single is displayed. You'll notice the display shows a temperature. To change the temperature, use the preset right arrow key to select the digit, and the Display Up arrow and Test Down arrow keys to increase and decrease the number. The temperature can be set from 50 to 160 degrees Celsius. Next, we need to enter a time interval the analyzer will use to calculate and update results. Enter a value from 1 to 99 seconds. We'll set the interval at 5 seconds. To do this, we use the arrow keys as before. Next, we will select a stop condition. The test can be stopped automatically after a set time, or after the sample is stable, meaning weight loss has virtually ended, or a combination of these. For our demonstration, we will run the test for 4 minutes, then stop. And now to start the test, we will select Auto, so the test begins when we close the lid. Tear a disposable sample pan. Add your sample. Close the lid to begin the test. The display shows complete test information including the elapsed time, the temperature inside the chamber, and in this example, the percentage of moisture removed from the sample. If you have an Atom printer connected, you can output the test results for a printed record.